Hi everyone, it's Jerry here again, and today I was sent this wonderful mechanical operated and steam powered grill brush. Now I'm kind of excited to try this because we do grill out quite a bit and our barbecue grill gets gross, as most barbecue grills do. So we're going to show you what's in the box, how to assemble this thing, and then we're going to put it to the test. So inside the box we have an instruction guide. We have a box, it looks like, that has some spare grill cleaning heads, which is good. Always good to have extras of those. And again, packaged extremely well. Nothing was jiggling around in there. This thing is a monster. I was not aware this was going to be this big. The box is kind of deceiving, but you know, this is big. Anyway, well, this thing here, it feels good in your hands, good solid quality. It's got some metal, some plastic, and it's got those rotating grill heads and a little nozzle there that's going to squirt out the steam. We're going to open up the bottom of this port here. We're going to be putting a little bit of water in there, and then we're also going to go ahead and unscrew this and put in 4 C-size batteries like this. They do not come with it. You will have to provide that on your own, and there's not a way to actually charge this, so it will just be using those 4C batteries. So I've got my barbecue grill here, and it's pretty gross. So I'm going to show you what the front of this looks like here. You're going to want to turn on your barbecue grill, of course, or after you're done cooking. You're going to let it heat up, and then we're going to shut it off before we run this. So I'm going to let it heat up for another couple seconds, and then we're going to shut it off and show you how this cleans. So we've turned that off just so there's no open flames. We're going to turn this on in the back. This will spin up to 2,000 RPMs. You do have your steam spray. You can spray on there. As you can see, it sprays the steam out on there. And that's just going to work. Cleaning it off. So you can already see a huge difference in this versus what it was. And on the back side of this, it also has these little notches that can go and actually scrape even underneath, which is something a lot of them don't have, which is really great too. Let's try it on this edge piece here. I mean, it just cuts right through it. So it's cleaning it up. There's the difference there. You can see from one area to the next. So this is really cutting through there really well. So all in all, I'm extremely impressed with what this can do. Now, when these do get dirty, you can stick a screwdriver in there and just push, and it will pop one of these off so that you can clean them, or you can put the spare ones on when these run out.